How to pay Disney Plus with Apple gift card. Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pay Disney Plus with Apple gift card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up App Store on your mobile. After that, tap on Apple ID icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Redeem Gift Card option. Here you can either use camera or enter code manually. Now go back and open Disney Plus app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. In my case, I've already purchased their premium subscription. That's why I am redirected to this page. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll see profile icon. Just go ahead, tap on it. Then tap on account option. Accordingly, tap on change plan option under subscription title. Here, what you want to do is select any plan and tap on it. Then agree and subscribe. Now you'll see a verification face ID appears for Apple gift card purchase. Tap on subscribe. Similar steps for new subscription. So that's how you can pay Disney Plus with Apple gift card. That's all for this video.